Divine Collective, we're starting out with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in this reading. There's a third party here reaping havoc. Spirit is telling me you stop attracting certain people when you heal the parts of you that once needed them. I feel like there's someone here looking at someone they chose to be in a relationship with, Divine Collective, and questioning everything about themselves because of the person that they chose to be in a relationship with. Whoever this third party is, very insecure, very jealous, very controlling. I'm laughing because Spirit says everything like them. Okay, so this person is in fact in bed with karma. Okay, that's how we're starting this reading. Again, if this person wants to see a change in their life, to stop attracting these certain type of energies, they're wondering like, why do I attract this type of female? Why do I attract this type of male? Spirit says, Divine Collective, you stop attracting certain people when you heal the parts of you that once needed them. Okay, so you know, there's something going on inside of this individual that they need to take a deeper look at, because you're attracting in someone else something that's also in you. Okay, so you have to heal that. And once you heal that, you'll attract that healed version of you, Divine Collective. Okay? You've outsmarted all of your enemies. Spirit is setting the record straight about someone's karmic siblings. The record is being set straight about karmic siblings. No more waiting. The time is now, Spirit says. Someone is a liar. There's a distorted Leo here with control issues, a stalker. Okay, what did I just say without pulling the card? Someone here is very insecure. This is this third party that is reaping havoc, that has someone really thinking about their choices in life right now, Divine Collective. Again, this is a distorted Leo, a liar with control issues, a stalker. I heard their fate is sealed. They knew this, okay? Their fate is sealed. They knew this. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. The judge now takes the seat. I see the judge taking the seat here. The evidence has been presented. I heard their fate is sealed. They know this. Partner in crime, accomplice, okay? This was, okay, so this third party is this ex of yours, partner in crime, the accomplice. So maybe it is they feel stuck, because they are in a way, because they've done something that someone can possibly use to blackmail them, Divine Collective. Okay, so yeah, I get it. I get it now. Admissible evidence, evidence that meets legal standards of relevance and reliability is allowed by the judge. There's admissible evidence here that's going to be allowed by the judge, that someone tried to destroy your ultimate happiness in life, Divine Collective. Wow. Well, that's just, this person does not like you. They just never wanted you to be happy, Divine Collective. I'm getting a habitual liar here as well in this storyline. They are not comfortable financially. A failed attempt. There's a failed attempt here at something they recently did. Clarify, Spirit, please and thank you. I heard the three-headed beast. These are shapeshifters, Divine Collective. I've been encountering a lot of shapeshifters lately. It's time to take the trash out, Spirit says. They've been cursed for generations to come. They thought they knew you. Wow, they thought they knew you. Share your story, Divine Collective. You are a guiding light. You are a life coach of some sort, or maybe this is the path that you're going to walk down. Life coach. Share your story. You are a guiding light. A magnetic allure, but not toxic, not manipulative. That is what Spirit is telling me, okay? Your aura is not meant to dominate or control. Your aura showcases your strong spiritual essence, Divine Collective. The truth needs no defense. All they can do is guess. Spirit is telling me, okay? All they can do is guess. I heard admiration in some, jealousy in others. Someone wants to bump into you here, Divine Collective. I'm getting casual conversation. October could be of significance. This could be an Aries. This person may have been institutionalized. Someone here is institutionalized, Divine Collective. Okay, this is an Aries. They may want to bump into you and have casual conversation with you, October. Choose peace over proving yourself, 6:11 on the clock. Choose faith over fear. Choose healing over resentment, Divine Collective. The verdict has already been rendered. here. Spirit is telling me the evidence has been presented, the witnesses have spoken, the gavel has fallen, what was written for your life cannot be overturned, Divine Collective. The elites are here. I'm getting the elites. They can't even face you, but they have to, Spirit says. Finding out that you knew the whole time, Spirit is also saying. You've changed, Divine Collective. You're in an all-new energy. I heard all new people, okay? All new DNA. Someone here is analyzing, watching, calculating, but around them is nothing but confusion, illusions, assumptions, jumping to conclusions without the truth. Again, all these people can do is guess what it is you have going on, Divine Collective. They're completely blocked from your energy here. So all they can do is guess, watch. The LAPD is here, Hollywood. The situation has been handled. E. Trump. 743. This wasn't just betrayal. This was a spiritual test of boundaries, power, and identity. Divine Collective, you passed. You've been upgraded. You are protected and seen, Spirit says. They want a new beginning with you. Justice is served. Your intuition is speaking in sacred code. Spirit is telling me, Divine Collective. Spirit is alerting you before your mind can understand. Okay? Your intuition is speaking to you in sacred code. In ending, Divine Collective, God chose you. You are the chosen one. Peace, love, and light.